Who is regarded as the father of operant conditioning? A. Thorndike, B. Skinner, C. Watson. Operant conditioning is a learning method that has to do with choose all that are correct. A. Reinforcement, B. Imitation, C. Punishment. Which animal was put into the Skinner box? A. Rat, C. A B. Cat, C. Dog. Positive reinforcement, choose all that are correct. A. Makes someone more likely to repeat an action in the future. B. Hinders someone from repeating an action in the future. C. Strengthens a behavior. Negative reinforcement, choose all that are correct. A. Includes some type of punishment. B. Strengthens behavior. C. Removes an unpleasant stimuli. Ellen is training her dog to go to the bathroom outside. When the dog goes to the door to let her know that he wants to go outside, she rewards him with a treat. This is an example of A. Negative reinforcement, B. Shaping, C. Positive reinforcement. What is a reinforcer? A. Anything that the subject likes. B. Anything that the subject will work for. C. Anything that follows a behavior and increases the likelihood of a behavior occurring. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the word boxes below. Water is an example of a blank reinforcer. Money is an example of a blank reinforcer. Primary, negative. Secondary, positive. Which of the following is true when contrasting operant conditioning to classical conditioning? A. Both operant and classical conditioning are used exclusively to train animals. B. Operant conditioning is a gradual process while classical conditioning is immediate. C. Operant conditioning tries to trigger a voluntary response while classical conditioning tries to trigger an involuntary response. How is learning impacted by operant conditioning? You may use the audio option to record your answer.